going on today? What's going on today?
This person keep calling me and threatening.
Hey, it's Deputy Campbell with the Sheriff's Office. Who am I speaking with?
I'm Terrence Slide, bro. What's up?
What's up, man? What you got going on with this fine young lady over here?
Man, why that bitch lying to you?
I literally just got here. She hadn't said a word to me but handed me the phone. So if you want to tell me what's going on, this is your chance.
Why she called you anyway?
Huh?
Why she called you?
Apparently because you keep calling her on no-call ID.
That's my business.
Well, it's my business now because I'm here.
Oh, all right. Well, stay right there, all right? I'm about to pull up. You heard me?
Yeah, I heard you. So what's going on with you and her? Y'all broke up or you live here? What's going on?
Stop asking questions. I gave you my name, man.
Say what? I'm sorry. You keep breaking up.
I said I gave you my name. Just stay right there.
Okay. So what's going on?
This is
Why are you calling us now?
all this because he just kept, I'm coming to your house, so you better call the police. Either they gonna kill me or I'm gonna kill you.
Okay. Josh, get over there. Josh, fine. 1031 We're at 4307 Edwards Road, 1031 Broad.
He advised he's 10-7.
Our guys are 10-4.